Hello student, in this video I am going to explain you the new topic, and that is what MOSFET. So let us start with the symbol. MOSFET means metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. So transistor can be formed by using these elements, hence it is known as metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. So this shows you the symbol of MOSFET. Basically, MOSFET is divided into two basic types. First one is enhancement mode MOSFET, and second one is depletion mode MOSFET. Again, the enhancement mode MOSFET and depletion MOSFET can be divided into two types. First one is known as P channel, and second one is known as N channel. So how to identify P channel? If the arrowhead are in outward direction, then it is known as P channel enhancement or depletion mode MOSFET, and if the arrowhead is at inward direction, then it is known as N channel MOSFET. So see here in this figure, the symbol shows you P channel enhancement MOSFET. Why enhancement? Because the line is dotted form. Here the line is in the dotted form. So the first terminal is known as drain, the middle terminal is the body itself, and the third terminal is known as source. Both are shorted here. The third terminal, you just observe, it is insulated from the channel. There is a gap between the dotted line and the solid line that shows the insulation, and that terminal is known as gate. As this gate terminal is insulated from the channel, it is also known as insulated gate field effect transistor. So you just observe the second symbol here. Here the channel line is solid instead of dotted, hence it is known as depletion mode MOSFET, but it is of P type because arrow is in outward direction and the terminals are remain same. Drain, the source, the substrate itself, both are shorted, source and substrate. The middle terminal is known as substrate and this is source, both are shorted, okay, and the name is source. The third terminal is isolated from the channel. The space between these two solid lines is given here, that is gate is insulated from the channel, okay, and it is also known as IGFET, insulated gate field effect transistor. Here we have the N channel MOSFET. Similarly, N channel enhancement MOSFET, N channel depletion MOSFET. Enhancement, why? Because the channel is of dotted line and here the channel is of solid line. So it is enhancement N channel MOSFET and it is depletion N channel MOSFET. So I am going to summarize. MOSFET can be broadly divided into two types. First type is known as enhancement and second type is known as depletion. Again, enhancement and depletion are divided into two types. This is P channel enhancement, this is N channel enhancement MOSFET. Here we have P channel depletion mode MOSFET and N channel depletion mode MOSFET. So let us move towards the next topic, and that is what MOSFET construction. How does it constructed? This shows the construction. I just told you the middle channel is substrate, so that substrate is given here, P type substrate. Gray line, gray material is what? P type substrate. So in this substrate, initially the oxide, two N channel materials are doped. This is the N, this is of N. Two N type materials are doped. On this P type substrate, see brown line which is closed, which is nothing but an oxide layer which is closed over this P type substrate. P type substrate is totally closed by this oxide layer. Okay, now see, this is the N terminal of N type dope material, and this is the also the N terminal of N type material dope. So on this oxide layer, a metallic layer is given here. Okay, from this end point to this end point, a metallic layer is given, and from this metallic layer one terminal is taken out for the connection, and that is known as gate. Okay, now see again, the both n type materials can be drilled. Okay, and one terminal taken outside, and this is known as source. Again, from this n type material the drill is there and one terminal is taken out, and that is known as drain. So you just carefully observe why we call as MOSFET. MOS, M stands for metal, O stands for oxide, and A stands for semiconductor. Metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. So because of this metallic layer from which gate is taken out, it is known as metal. Next you have oxide layer, hence it is known as oxide, and after that you have the semiconductor material dope, and hence it is known as semiconductor. Metal oxide semiconductor, and the whole action is like a FET, hence it is known as field effect transistor. So this is what construction of field effect transistor. Now, as I told you, there are two types of MOSFET. One is known as enhancement and second one is known as depletion. So here I am going to explain you enhancement MOSFET. Okay, for this we are going to refer this figure. It is, see what is written in the bracket, it is induced channel. Why induced channel? Let us see. This is the construction. This is what positive gate voltage enhancement MOSFET. So this is what a channel. Okay, here you have the source. Similarly JFET, here you have the drain. Okay, here p-type substrate on which we are doped these two material. Now you have oxide layer, that slanting line area shows you the oxide layer on which the dark black color is there, that is what metal, from which gate terminal is taken out. Okay, now see, gate is insulated from the channel, hence we don't have any depletion layer here because gate is totally insulated from the channel. Now the gate voltage, to understand the enhancement mode MOSFET working purpose principle, we are going to apply voltage to this gate and source terminal. Positive terminal of battery is connected to the gate while negative terminal is connected to source. The battery between the gate and source is given here, hence it is known as voltage between gate and source. Here you have the another battery which is applied here, which is applied between the drain and source, hence it is known as VDS, voltage between drain and source. As source of N type, and it is a source of charged particle. Here negative terminal is connected and upper side positive terminal is connected. So this is positive gate voltage enhancement MOSFET. See, gate is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. So this gives you the circuit action. This circuit is connected in this manner, but what happened internally, that is given here. Gate is connected to positive terminal of the battery, hence positive charges will get induced here. Now see, this channel is not initially doped. It is induced after the gate positive biasing. The positive charges will get developed on the gate. Below that gate you have the oxide layer, that is insulator, and then N channel materials are there. So what happens when positive charge are developed on the gate, the negative charges from both the side will get induced here, will get developed here, and the channel will be induced. Okay, that means the electrons will flow from this side to this side through the channel, hence drain current flows, or it increases or enhances mean increasing with this positive charge particle, hence it is known as enhancement MOSFET. Get it this? Okay, now let us move towards the depletion MOSFET, and that is known as diffuse channel. Same circuit diagram is given here. What is the difference? In the last figure, the gate is biased with positive charge. That means positive terminal of battery is connected to gate, but in case of depletion MOSFET, negative terminal is connected to the gate. Otherwise the figure remains same. Now see, here the channel is diffuse, means before developing a negative charges, here the channel is introduced, it is diffuse during the implementation. Okay, means already the electrons are present here. Okay, so when the negative charges are developed on the gate, see this, the same charge particle have force of repulsion. This negative charge will get uh, will get repel below, hence the electron will get deplete from this channel and the drain current will decrease. As the negative charge develops, the channel will get deplete and drain current will get decrease, hence it is known as depletion mode MOSFET. So these are the references from which I am taken the figures. Okay, thank you very much.